What is good, YouTube fam? It's your boy H-Town Sean.
And your girl Shay. And we're back with another video.
Guys, it's another beautiful day in Houston, guys. It's sunny outside, beautiful. 80 degrees today, ain't a cloud in the sky, guys. So you know what we do on this channel, guys. We enjoy every sunny day that we can, guys. And today is more the same. So today,
some fun in the sun.
Yes, today, guys, we're gonna go downtown and we're gonna rent some bikes and do the Buffalo Bayou bike loop.
We never done it, and we've been in Houston for all of our lives and we've never been biking.
Yeah, I think it's like a 6-mile loop from downtown to uptown. It's some beautiful scenery, guys.
We ain't doing the whole 6 miles, dude.
I mean, that's not really that bad on a bike. I mean, it's faster than walking. We might do the 6 miles, we might not. I don't know, guys. But anyway,
it's a workout.
Yeah, and it's a 6-mile loop from uptown to downtown, so it has a lot of beautiful scenery, and it's alongside the Buffalo Bayou, which is nice, you know. It's like the main bayou in Houston that runs straight through downtown, guys.
And they call us the Bayou City, so
yeah. You know, I ain't think about that. But yeah, anyway, guys, I want you to watch the video today from beginning to end, and if you're watching this video right now, go ahead.
Smash that like button, comment down below, hit the notification bell so you know every time we drop a new video. Ride with the mob.
Ride with the mob. Roll to 10K. And today, guys, I actually want to show you this new bag that we received. It's really nice. So, guys, I have my Sojourner that I just received in the mail. And the first thing you notice about it, guys, is like this cool fluorescent color. It's kind of like a color changing effect. Yeah, it's real bright, guys, so you can't really miss it. And like, I really like it. And like, guys, they have a lot of cool colors on their website, so go over and check out their website. It's sojournerbags.com, and the discount code is going to be in the description box, guys, so go over there and check it out. They have like a lot of cool designs, a lot of colors. Like, they have different size bags, but we went with this size right here because
it was hard to choose from.
Yeah, because we do a lot of hiking, so you know we need to hold more water or Gatorade or whatever. And guys, the second thing you notice about it is like all the pockets. It has like a lot of storage. So yeah, guys, as you can see, this is a perfect enough size for your keys or your cell phone or some of that sort, guys. And right here you can put maybe like some snacks, a bag of chips, maybe some cakes. You can even fit your camera right here too, guys. It's actually a lot more space than it looks, as you can see. You know, stuff right here, maybe a phone charger, something right there, guys. So, you know, good storage. It's different from like a Camelback in the military because, like, well, not even just the military, just a Camelback period, because most Camelbacks only have like the mechanism to hold the water. It doesn't have like storage or stuff like that. So this is very cool. And
it's also very comfortable.
Yeah.
Like, they have a nice padding on the shoulders and on the back.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Really nice padding. It's thick too, guys. If you can feel it, it's real thick. So if you have like a lot of water in there or a lot of Gatorade or something, it's gonna be cushioned on your shoulders and on your back and, you know, on your neck or whatever, you know. So yeah, guys, it's cool. But anyway, in this pocket,
where it holds the water.
Where it holds your water.
And it's a 2-liter containing water.
Yeah, it's a 2-liter water container, but this has a lot of space, so you can put whatever you want in here.
Yeah, if you choose not to carry water.
GoPro. You could even fit a drone in here, you know, a drone.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, you know, so I like this bag. And here we have our 2-liter water pouch, and you can put water in here, you can put Gatorade, really any beverage that you want. But, you know, we mainly just use it for water. You know, we have one for water and one for Gatorade. So,
yeah. And it's BPA free. Yeah, antimicrobial.
Yeah.
So it's not supposed to give you gas. That's what it is. BPA, like the baby bottles.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. So I learned something new today, guys. I learned that BPA free is to not give you gas when you drink. So yeah, guys, as you can see the instructions right here. You have your 1/2 liter, 1 liter, 1.5 liter, 2 liters. I mean, you know what size a 2 liter is. Just think of a 2-liter bottle.
Yeah, so, a Coke.
Yeah, that's a lot of fluid, you know, especially for one person, you know. Because, I mean, eventually we're going to have one for everyone.
Yeah.
But we wanted to just start with something small just to see what it was like.
And it's not really small. It's actually big.
Yeah.
So I'm going to try it on.
Yeah. And like I told you guys, the discount code is gonna be in the description box. So yeah, it's a nice piece of equipment to have when you go on a long hike. Or like today, we're going biking. You can use it for biking also. Any outdoor activity you can use it for. Got these straps right here, guys.
Adjustable straps.
Yeah, they're adjustable. So
I can
put
tighten
it on.
And tighten it right here.
Yeah, she can tighten it.
And then I can tighten the shoulders.
You can tighten the shoulders for, you know, to have it sitting higher on your back, so you know that weight won't be weighing your shoulders down.
And this feels comfortable.
Yeah, it do feel comfortable, and it look cool too. As you can see the nice fluorescent color, guys. Like, it's just a real cool bag, man. Especially if you're gonna be hiking, you know. So now, guys, I guess we'll fill it up with water just to test out how comfortable it is, to get your review on that, guys. So,
yeah, and I know the tubes come through here. It's a little pocket right here where the tube come through.
Oh, okay.
So you can put it to your mouth.
Yeah, so guys, stay tuned. Now, as you can see, I have it filled, guys, to about 1 liter, which is good enough for right now, because I just want to show you and just want to test the comfortableness of it. So we're going to see what Shay thinks about it.
Oh, that's still light.
Alright, so where do we put this bad boy here?
You can put it on either side, whether you're right-handed or left-handed. It goes through the hole.
It goes through the hole? What hole does it go
right
through?
Right here. Inside.
Oh, okay. Okay. Now I see it, guys. So what
it's
you
real
do
simple.
is you
I'm right-handed, so I need it on the right-hand side. Rollin is left-handed, huh?
So what you do, guys, you put your beverage bag in, and you just take it through the hole like so. Zipper back up. You can always put more of the hose back in the bag as you please. You can take it out, you know, so it has more play in it.
Get someone else water.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, so now let's see. And it also, I forgot to mention, guys, it also has an on and off valve. So, you know, the typical Camelback, you just squeeze and suck. This one has an on and off valve, so, you know, it's less likely to leak, I guess. So, you know, guys, just go over to Sojourner. Check out everything that they have. They have like a lot of nice designs to choose from. Like I tell you, this is not the only design you can choose. They have like
fanny packs and
they have fanny packs, everything. So many different colors to choose from, sizes, and you know, shapes for everybody, guys. So just go over to Sojourner, check it out, guys. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. We're gonna be on the bikes, and we're gonna actually be using the Sojourner bag. So guys, stay tuned. Now guys, we just made it to Buffalo Born Bike Rentals. About to go up here and rent a bike, but we can't forget the Sojourner. Got that bad boy, we about to use that up for real, for real.
And they also have ice cream and snow cones.
Yeah, because it's hot today, y'all. It's summertime, almost.
It's springtime, but summertime it feels like Houston.
Yeah, I feel like summertime. Let's go in here and check these prices out, y'all.
Downtown.
Yep, right downtown. Let's go check out these prices, y'all. It's a nice vibe here, y'all. As you can see, the prices right here.
That's pretty cheap, y'all. For 4 hours.
Not bad.
For 4 hours out.
And we're not gonna be on that long.
9 or 8 hours.
2 hours tops.
Yeah, especially.
Yeah, it's hot outside, so it ain't gonna be that long. This is the map right here, y'all. So which way we gonna go, Shay? We over here.
Yeah, we're on the roof. All I care about is getting to, when is it, to here. I want to see the bat colony.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that'd be cool. The bat colony, where's the bat colony at? Right here. 250,000 Mexican free-tail bats. sunset every day.
I ain't trying to get them to come out on me, but I want to see it.
Now we got our bikes, y'all.
Yeah.
Reagan and Layla, they ready to ride. Reagan just woke
ready
up.
to ride? Tell him to ride with the mob. He just woke up, y'all.
Got me a little black bike. Plain Jane. Oh yeah.
We also got helmets.
Yeah, Rylan got to wear a helmet because he's under 18. It's a beautiful day, man.
Y'all gotta check it out.
Yeah, look at that big old group over there. That's a whole group about to ride the bike together, y'all. So, man.
Those people who are taking graduation pictures.
Yeah. So stay tuned, y'all. See the ride. Downtown Houston, but man, I never been here. That's crazy. I'm from this city, and it's a very, very, very nice vibe out here. If you come to Houston and you like biking or outdoor activities like this, man, you definitely gotta come here. So, on to the next stop, y'all.
Oh goodness, y'all, this is a workout for real. And it's hot. I need a water break.
Sojourner. That bad boy glistening. What's up, Reagan? Help you what, son? You want to get out?
Stuck?
You're not stuck.
Look at people over there kayaking on a bayou. That's what we
Yes,
gotta
sir.
do next, y'all. We've been here for however many years, what? We ain't never been
Get on
kayaking
Buffalo
a
Bayou.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Yeah, man. Clear skies, man.
Downtown is the backdrop. Beautiful.
Yes, sir.
Check out the views. Beautiful views. Rylan, how you loving the?
It's fun. It's just that the
Hot today,
fact,
huh?
the fact that it's hot.
You should have put up your hair.
You need to do this in the wintertime.
Yeah, you gotta know. In the wintertime, it might be too cold. You gotta come here during the spring and summertime so you can see all the greenery and all the wildflowers. Yeah, I see the gallery way over there. You loving the bike ride? Yeah? Tell them to ride with the mob.
Alright, guys, we just made it to the turnaround point. And me and Shay was just over here talking about these condos they building.
Yes, man,
That's
nice.
a lot of condos they building, man. I wish I had money like that.
You could have been us if we had 2 more kids, huh?
Yeah, So now we're about to make our way back down the bike path, man. Ooh, that Sojourner look good, man. That bad boy glisten. But yeah, guys, now we're about to head back to the bike barn, put these bad boys up, man, and head back home. Stay tuned. y'all can see, we stumbled up on a restaurant. It's called the Dunleavy. And I think they call it that because it's a street down here called Dunleavy also. So I don't know if that's the reason, but it's actually a nice building. Huh, Reagan? It's nice right here. And it got like a nice little lounging area under the building. That's cool too. Man. Something good to come to on the weekend with your family, or you know, just with you and your significant other. Looks real nice, huh, Reagan?
Look at these beautiful wildflowers. Smells so good. Look at that blue bonnet.
I love this Sojourner.
You do?
Yeah.
What do you like about it?
Because I could just drink water while I'm riding the bike just in case I get tired. So if I'm just riding and I get tired of going up, I could just drink some water and I'll be energized.
Yeah, it looks good on you.
Look what somebody got set up, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Whoever made that, man, you two player, bro. They take some points from you. Now we're back where we started, y'all. We finished the loop. It was about a 5.8 mile loop, and we finished it in about an hour.
Yes.
Yeah, with stops.
Good. And you didn't have to pedal everywhere you went because it flowed.
Yeah, it was a lot of downhill slopes and stuff.
And
so
it felt so good.
yeah, it felt good on a good day like this, and it's shaded. Even if you do come like in the midsummer.
But it's a lot of shaded parts.
Yeah, but overall we had a great time.
Yeah, the Sojourner really came in handy.
It really did, man.
Yes.
It kept us hydrated, y'all.
Yeah, it really
and it had a lot of storage. You know, we kept everything in there. So, man, go over to
anything. Even we put the GoPro in at the end.
Yes, y'all. Go to my description box, get you a discount code, and go over to SojournerBags.com and get you a Sojourner, y'all. So, guys, we appreciate you riding along that journey with us today, guys. It was real cool.
Yeah,
we had a lot of fun. Saw part of the city. We never really even been down here like that. Crazy thing about it.
Never been on a bayou.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, but anyway, guys, if you like this type of content, go ahead and
smash that like button, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so you know every time we drop a new video. Ride with the mob.
Ride with the mob, guys. On the road to 10K.
Yes.
We'll be there real soon. Watch the channel grow. Without further ado, we appreciate you for rocking with us, and we'll see you guys on the next vlog. Peace.